Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we are working on a winter soap. This one is going to be fragrance with Cracklin Birch. So I am going to try to get a birch tree or wood bark effect with this soap. Gonna measure out my fragrance oil here. It smells wonderful. Okay, so let's just put that out of the way. Gonna move my scale. Okay, so we have our base oils here. We are going to add our lye water solution and blend it up, and we'll see you in just a second. Okay, we're going to pour off just a little bit for the black we're going to need. Next, I'm going to mix in some titanium dioxide that has been pre-mixed with water. Okay. And I have another project going on today, so I just need a little bit of this batter here set aside. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of activated charcoal that I have previously mixed in some olive oil here. We're just gonna drop about a teaspoon of that mixture in there. A little bit more. Okay. Going to go ahead and add our fragrance oil. And we're going to blend it together. Now it's time to pour into our mold. What I've done is I've went ahead and put my hanger swirl tool, which is really just my hanger, fitted in here at the bottom, and I'm going to basically kind of plop in the white and the black, and then I will bring this back and forth as I make my way up, and I'm hoping that'll give me the effect I'm looking for. And this fragrance will also discolor, so this will go a little tan anyways. So let's see if this will work for us. Okay, so now that my mold is filled up, I'm going to use my tool here. I'm just going to go make sure we're all the way down at the bottom, and I'm just going to go back and forth. So when I cut into bars, hopefully it will look like birch bark. Okay. Now I'm going to bang this down again, and then I'll get a skewer and go back and forth with it as well. Alright, so here is the close-up of our Cracklin Birch loaf. We're going to let this sit overnight, and then we'll be back to cut it. Alright, so we are back the next day to cut our Cracklin Birch soap. I'm really hoping that we will see the effect that I was going for inside the soap. Hopefully it doesn't look like a cow print with the black and the white. Alright. So I'm not going to worry about cutting a sample piece off of this because we will be using our planer anyways. So we're going to go ahead and cut a full-size bar here. Drum roll. Ooh, this is really neat. I like that look. Okay, let's cut some more. This one was so easy to get out of our silicone mold here. I was actually expecting some difficulty. Nice. So if you can see, there's a little bit of an air pocket right up there, which is okay. It did kind of thicken up on me a little bit. Oh, and it smells so good. Like, I don't know if you can call this a men's fragrance, because I can see a lot of women using this as well. I know I would. This smells really great. Alright, so I'm just going to keep cutting this soap, and we are actually going to be doing another step with this, and I'll bring you back for that. So for now, I'm just going to speed right through this. So really quick before I show you what I'm doing next with this soap, I really wanted to give you guys the scent description of this Cracklin Birch fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. It just smells really good. So the top notes are bergamot, orange, and lemon, mid notes of geranium, lily, and rose, and the base notes are patchouli, vetiver, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but as well as tonka beans. And it smells really, really good. Now the listing said it would turn this soap to a light tan. I'm hoping that it will do that. Now, I wasn't really thinking much when I made this, and I really shouldn't have put as much titanium dioxide in this batter as much as I used. So we'll see if it will turn a light tan or not. Regardless if it stays this way or turns light tan, it'll be fine. But overall, I am happy with this soap. So, I have a piece here of what we're going to do to the soap. And we're going to create this texture just on one side. And I feel like that really ups the soap and makes it look really cool. So, I actually got these guys off of the Wish app. And as soon as I saw these, I immediately thought about soap. So I got just a few of them. They're actually labeled as fondant embossers for making cakes and such. Now they aren't acrylic, and these are plastic. So I wouldn't necessarily beat this into the soap or wait past a few days to use this. So all I've done is I've waited 30 minutes since we've cut these, and I'm going to spray this with a 91% rubbing alcohol just so it doesn't, no soap will stick to it. And it works as you saw on that sample piece there. So we're just going to go through and do that with these. Now, I'm not sure how much pressure to apply to this. Okay, that one didn't really work. Oh, but that actually kind of looks cool. Let's see if I can show you. That does kind of look cool, but it wasn't. Maybe I should really press down on it. I don't think I'm ever going to line that back up the right way, so let's see. Yeah. We're not going to line that back up how it was, but so we'll just try again. Oh, okay. I felt it go in there. Not sure how deep that is. Okay. Yeah, I think it's deep enough. Oh, cool. Okay. So there it is. All right. Spray some more. I am having to use a little bit of arm muscle here. Okay. So I think that looks really neat. So I'm just going to go through and spray each time, and I'm just going to keep doing that. So I'm just going to speed you guys up, and I'll bring you back in after these are cleaned up. Alright, so this is what a couple bars look like when they're all cleaned up. Show you the top. I think they turned out pretty cute. Almost looks like reptile skin. That's something to keep in mind if I need another project using this little fondant embosser.